The little one stayed behind and now it's catching up. Ah, there are more. There are more coming in. Look how they run. Look how they run. I think they're gonna cross the street. Oh. Yes, I think they're gonna cross the street. They're coming towards. I think they like this side of things. This grass over here. And the little ones are in the tall grass in there. Hope you can see them. I don't have more zoom. I'm on my phone. They're going. Now they're running towards the family. One, two, three, four families. Get out of the lamp post, isn't it? And they sort of don't mind people walking or filming for that matter. Yeah, they are about to cross the street. This is a magic place. I have a lot of zoom, so if I walk, you miss. And the family on the lake there, swimming towards the margin of the lake. So, how many geese families did you count in this video? Tell me in the comments. Because honestly, I lost count. They love this little lake. This is the smallest lake around. They're coming on land. They're landing. And the small ones, the little ones. And people stop walking. Stop so they can cross the street. People who are coming, my goodness, there are 6 goslings. And they want to cross the street. And some neighbors here, they are waiting for them over there. People waiting for, are they gonna cross the street, yes or no? But they could come where we are and stay out of the way so that these goslings can cross the street. Pega tu telefone também. This across the streets and I missed it. But then you got the ones swimming. Ah, look at that. Ah, look at this. Look at this. They ran because these people were coming. I'm looking there. There's always a brave one that will stay behind. Look at that. This is the big family. Look at this family. Is this a one family? 3, 6, 9. 9 goslings. Look. There's 4 in there. And then there's 5 in here. And it's the one family. There's the one family. Oh, so happy that I came for this walk today in this lake. We like the Villager Gardens walk, but there's much more action here at this neighborhood pond. They're coming towards me, and so I could zoom out a bit, but I won't because then we can see the goslings better. This family they're more grown up than the others. They're the real babies in there. These are just born, just really baby. And these ones are a few days. I can spend all my life here, but I think I gotta get going.